Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing a truck that blends pure classic soul with modern muscle and technology. The Chevy 3100 pickup truck 2026 model. This is not just a truck, it's an emotional comeback of one of the most iconic American pickups ever made. Now reimagined for modern drivers who love vintage style but demand today's performance and comfort. From the moment you look at it, this truck feels like a rolling piece of history that's been brought back to life with serious upgrades. Starting with the exterior, the front of the 2026 Chevy 3100 is absolutely stunning. The designers have clearly respected the original character, keeping the round headlights, bold chrome grille, and classic Chevy badging, but everything looks sharper, wider, and more aggressive. The LED headlights are neatly integrated without ruining the retro charm, and the front bumper has a solid, muscular look that makes the truck feel tough and ready for work. The hood has subtle sculpting that hints at the power underneath, while the overall stance feels planted and confident on the road. Moving to the side profile, this is where the truck really shows its heritage. The long, clean body lines stay true to the original 3100 shape, but the proportions are updated for modern driving. You'll notice larger alloy wheels with chunky tires that give it a perfect mix of classic and modern attitude. The side steps are practical yet stylish, and the door, handles, and mirrors maintain that old-school vibe while hiding modern tech like keyless entry and integrated indicators. The bed looks strong and functional, with reinforced edges and optional wood or metal finishes depending on the trim. At the back, the 2026 Chevy 3100 continues to impress. The tailgate carries classic Chevrolet branding, paired with modern LED taillights that are designed in a vintage-inspired shape. The rear bumper is sturdy and functional, making it ideal for towing or hauling. While the overall rear design feels clean and purposeful, it's a perfect balance between a show truck and a real working pickup. Now stepping inside, the interior is where classic meets comfort in the best possible way. The cabin design keeps a retro dashboard layout, but everything you touch feels premium and modern. You get high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and optional leather seats that are both comfortable and durable. The steering wheel has a classic design but includes modern controls for audio, phone, and cruise control. Behind it, a digital instrument cluster is styled to look like old analog gauges, giving you that vintage feel with modern clarity. In the center, there's a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation, and a premium sound system. Climate control is fully automatic, and there's plenty of storage space throughout the cabin. The seats are designed for long drives, offering excellent support, and even taller drivers will feel comfortable thanks to improved legroom and headroom. This is a cabin that feels just as good cruising through the city as it does on a long highway drive. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Chevy 3100 doesn't disappoint at all. Depending on the configuration, it's expected to offer multiple engine options, including a powerful V8 for those who want true muscle, and possibly a more efficient turbocharged or hybrid option for daily driving. Power delivery is smooth but strong, with plenty of torque for towing and hauling. The suspension has been completely modernized, giving the truck a comfortable ride without sacrificing toughness. Steering feels precise, brakes are strong, and overall handling is far better than you'd expect from a classic-inspired pickup. On the road, this truck feels solid and confident. Whether you're driving through city streets, highways, or light off-road conditions, the 3100 handles it with ease. The sound of the engine, especially in the V8 variant, adds to the emotional driving experience, reminding you that this is a true American truck at heart. Talking about pricing, the 2026 Chevy 3100 is expected to be positioned as a premium, retro modern pickup. The base model could start at a competitive price for classic truck lovers, while higher trims with powerful engines, luxury interiors, and advanced features will naturally cost more. Customization options may also push the price higher, especially for buyers who want a fully loaded or show-quality build. Overall, it's not a cheap truck, but for what it offers in design, performance, and heritage, it delivers strong value. As for suggestions, this truck is perfect for enthusiasts who love classic vehicles but don't want the headaches of old-school reliability. It's ideal for collectors, weekend cruisers, and even daily drivers who want something unique on the road. If you're someone who values style, history, and modern comfort all in one package, the 2026 Chevy 3100 is definitely worth considering. Chevy could further improve it by offering more eco-friendly powertrain, options and additional safety. Features as standard. Wrapping things up, the Chevy 3100 pickup truck 2026 model is more than just a revival. It's a celebration of automotive history done right. It respects its roots while embracing the future, offering timeless design, modern technology, and powerful performance in one beautiful package. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Ultracar Time, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review with another exciting machine.